As you all know, the BIMrx Extract and Update feature allows for round-trip data between Revit and Excel. Some of the new features are in the export of our Revit schedules. Previously, if you selected multiple schedules to export, they would export into one Excel file. But now we have added the option to select an output format. So we can select multiple schedules and choose to either have them exported to one combined Excel file or exported into individual Excel files for each schedule. All we have to do is select that option and hit export. For the individual file, the file name that we input will actually be the suffix will actually be the prefix, and the suffix will automatically be applied as the name of the schedule. So when we select save, it'll let us know when it's done, and then we can go to that folder location to see our 3 different Excel files that we exported with that prefix that we typed and suffixed with the schedule name. And we can then open one of our schedules and see that it was successfully exported. Then we can begin to use the power of Excel to really input that data, updating our data, or making changes to our data. When we come back to our BIMrx Update feature, we can select that Excel file and simply hit open. And another new feature in BIMrx 3.2 is a preview of our update. We can now view that data before it is updated in Revit. And if we're happy, we simply select to update and see that all that information is quickly imported back into our Revit model.